Holy moly, that was close. The blade of the bandsaw came off the top wheel. Now this is not a new thing for a shipwright with 20 years of experience. For the rubber rim that sits on top of the wheel actually get caught by the blade and gets pulled all the way down towards the piece that I'm cutting. Now that's a new one for me. Here's the clip when it actually happened. Oh yeah, and I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, I'm perfectly fine. No injury whatsoever. And that's actually because the safety of these bandsaws are pretty good. So when this does happen, the blade can't come out in your face because it's pretty well protected. But here's the video when it happened. Whoa, pretty scary, right? I can tell you this much, my heart rate, it went up a little bit. Have this sort of thing ever happened to you? And what do you think happened? I do have a small idea why this happened. And when you buy a brand new bandsaw, these wear and tear parts are usually not the highest quality when you get a new one. So it has probably been long overdue for me to change these. It has probably gotten a little bit loose, and that's why I needed to change it. So a few days I ordered some new rims, and they actually came with the mail today. And the quality for the new rims is absolutely fantastic. This is sort of like a 2-layer thing, and compared to these old rubber thing, I probably should have replaced the old ones a lot sooner than now. Anyway, let's see if I can mount these new ones on the bandsaw. Now you can't really put this on wrong, but there are an arrow on the belt that let you know if you're mounting it the right way or not. I phoned up the technician to see if there are any shortcuts or any tricks when you need to mount this rim or belt. And he said, well, basically not. It's just brute force. But he did give me a small hack that I'll show you now. We'll put on the rim on the top first. Make sure it fits perfectly. We'll take one of these. Okay, that was not easy. It's still not right, so I just need to get it a bit further in. Oh, there we go. Great, it's on there. Top wheel is done, and if you guys have any better way to do this, please let me know in the comments below. And now for the bottom wheel, and we'll change that off camera because I'll probably have my butt sticking up the air and it won't give me that many views, I don't think at least. So we'll do that off camera. And I got the new blade, so I just need to mount this and we should be up and running again. Let's see if it works. Everything's good. Alright you guys, I should have checked these a lot sooner than I did, and I probably could have avoided the accident. Anyway, I'm up and running again, so back to my other project.